What's going on, guys? It's Mark from MT Finish Mobile Detailing. Today we're going to show you how to do engine bay cleaning, starting off with this Tesla right here. No, I'm just joking. We're going to go to the next video. So we're actually going to do an engine bay cleaning on Mercedes. So let's go. All right, guys, so we're back onto the location right here to the Mercedes. As you see, it's not as dirty, so we need something more for a dramatic effect. So we're going to do this car right here. Ray has volunteered to do the engine bay cleaning, and this one will be perfect to show you the results. Yeah, so the first step, just make sure to take any precautions. If there's anything exposed, make sure to tape it up. But as this car, it should be fine, ready to go. First thing I'm gonna do is wash it, like do a quick rinse, just to get any of like debris or any rocks and stuff like that out of the area. And then we're gonna start with our chemicals and agitate it, rinse it down, and then show you the next process. And also a quick tip too, if you're gonna do an engine bay cleaning, I always recommend it first before washing the car. Just because when you say you have the car washed already, you do the engine bay cleaning, everything's gonna get dirty again. So definitely recommend doing the engine bay first.
So can you clean any car or depends?
Right now, I wouldn't recommend any car. Anything lower than 2009, I really don't touch, just because you don't want those issues, electrical problems and etc. So right now, I always do 2010 and above. That's my preference. So right now, we rinse down the engine to get any dirt or debris out of there. And I'm coming right now with solution, 1-to-1 dilution ratio from Shine Supply. Right now I'm just spraying all this chemical around everywhere. The reason why I choose a solution from Shine Supply, like I said, it has emulsifiers in it. And with the emulsifiers, it helps you lift the dirt, and it works different than a degreaser. A degreaser works by burning plastics, while this one kind of lifts it up. So you don't want to have any like dry plastics or burnt plastics. Like I know sometimes people that use like a degreaser in the interiors, you'll see like you'll have the issue with like dried out plastics, and this won't do that. So right now I'm coming through with just a face brush, just agitating a little bit, all that stubborn debris, all that stubborn dirt, just move it around. Remember, the chemical works for you as well, so you could just move along. Whatever you don't really touch, it could kind of help you out. You can do the traditional way. We get all-purpose cleaner, like say for instance, like Meguiar's. But I like how this works. This chemical has good chemistry with the plastics. Yes, I want to know if you guys ever did an engine bay cleaning before. If you did, drop it down in the comments below. And how long did it take you guys? Usually it takes me around like anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. But if you guys have any faster ways of cleaning the interior of the engine bay, drop it down in the comments below. I would really appreciate it.
Now, Mark, is this an upsell? Is this a freebie? Is this a separate service?
So right now we're doing Ray's car because he helps us out a lot. But usually we do charge people. Ideally, it starts around 50 starting, and it goes up from there. So it depends on the condition, what kind of car it is, and etc. But ideally, a base price starts around $50. It is a good add-on service in the winter time. You're really slow, you could offer these services to your clients in the winter to make a little bit extra cash. It's a good idea. You always want to try to make more money when you're detailing, but also you gotta take time into consideration. Say if you're in a quick knitted schedule, pretty sure you don't want to do this because you have somewhere else to go to. So right now I'm just using another brush real quick from a Detail Factory, just agitating the little parts. I never had any issues doing an engine bay cleaning, so this process was shown to us by Jeremy from Shine Supply. If they're a clean engine bays, I would recommend you can even spray this product straight on there and rinse it down as well. If it's really like not too bad, but they want an engine bay cleaning, say for an exotic or etc., do it that way, and trust me, you'll save a lot of time. Because remember, this product works for you.
Now, Mark, how many engine bay cleanings have you done?
I did probably at least 50 plus.
So a good amount.
Yeah, a good amount.
Now, for a new detailer, even me, it seems a little intimidating.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of parts. How did your first engine cleaning go?
Honestly, man, like when I first started, I looked it up on YouTube and it did it, you know? But then after going with training and starting to learn a little bit more detailing, yeah, it kind of like makes you feel a little bit more confident into doing engine bay cleaning. So yeah, you just got to know, like I said, I don't do anything past 2009 to 10, just because of the issue. I don't want to have any like any electrical problem. So other than that, man, it's a pretty simple process. It's straightforward, and it's a good upsell for your detailing business if you need it to make a little bit more cash in a fast and efficient way. A lot of people, they don't pay attention to the top right here, which I do. You have to. Coming from PPF, you have to have everything, make sure everything's clean. So I make sure everything's clean all the way around. And just keep in mind, try not to wet this too much. I do wet it, but not too much, because older cars, say like, I don't know, like 2010 or 11, 12, this will kind of sag. So you got to be careful on that part. So keep in mind, be careful on that. All right, there's two options of doing the shine on the engine bay. So you can either do aerosol can or just spray it. This one's a Clutch from Shine Supply. I like this one because it doesn't attract as much dust. So what I'll do is just mist it on there. What's cool about this product, it'll settle on its own. Let me know in the comments if you guys do shine engine bays or you don't, and if your clients prefer shine or no shine. Drop it down in the comments. But yeah, we're gonna let this sit for like 20 minutes, I would say, and then come through with a towel and level it out if there's any access. So now I prime my towel with Clutch. What I want to do is kind of level everything out, all the puddles and stuff. So you see how I did the engine detail, and the product I like to use is Clutch, because keep in mind again, the dressing, it is good. What Clutch does is protect it, make it super glossy, and it kind of helps with the dust, so you don't get that issue anymore. Yeah, so we're wrapping up the video. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content, and drop it down in the comments for any other ideas or videos that you want us to see in the future. Thank you guys, I appreciate it.